What is this?
डिलीट कर दो, डिलीट। गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा।
Ma'am, how are you?
आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू?
Ma'am, I am fine.
हाउ वाज द एग्जाम?
Ma'am, very easy and very good.
रियली?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, दैट्स रियली गुड।
Ma'am, why the students are not coming?
They must be busy preparing the PDFs.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pradyunsh. How are you?
Ma'am, fine. Ma'am, how are you?
Good
Good.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How was the test?
Ma'am, very easy.
Ma'am, easy. Ma'am,
Easy?
easy. All the sections.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, all the sections were excellent.
That's so good.
Yes, ma'am.
That means you all prepared well, no? That is why.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I want the cameras on, everyone. Keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, I just wanted to confirm my answers of ma'am ma'am geography part, ma'am,
right
8th
now,
question
listen,
and 3rd.
Pradyunsh, listen. Right now, I will not discuss the answers. Reason being, I need to get the PDFs of everyone. Manjot, beta, camera on करेंगे आप? आपने क्लास कब से नहीं करी है मंजोत?
Ma'am, from few days back.
I have the records with me. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. I hope you will be regular now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Manujas. How was the exam?
Very easy test.
Ma'am, very easy peasy.
Okay, that's really very nice. If you
Ma'am, but there is a request.
yes,
Ma'am, please don't discuss the paper.
I am not discussing. I have already told them. I have already
Okay,
told them
ma'am.
I will not discuss the paper. Divyansh, Manojas, Rakshit, please switch on the cameras.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. Ma'am, actually, there is excitement for getting the results.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but
That's
last time we didn't get the result.
But last time you didn't get what?
Ma'am, UT3 result.
Ma'am, the UT results.
Of course it was there.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
which one
wasn't.
it is? Ma'am, like that dogs one were to given, but that which were written, ma'am, that were not given.
Acha, got it. No, but this
Ma'am,
time
which test they are talking about?
they are talking about the previous year's UTs and marks and the results.
Okay.
Fine. Tell me one thing. History, we are doing chapter 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is for sure. Like
I'm Russian European.
the meeting, they have been doing the classes regularly, except for Manjot and Divyansh Jain. I have told principal sir clearly that I will not be giving marks to those who are not regular to the classes and those who have not given the work, or those who are sending me their works.
Ma'am, I am new.
अरे मनोजस की बात कौन कर रहा है भाई? I am talking about other students, right?
Okay.
There are many those who are not new, but then still they have been missing on the classes and attendance part and the work part, everything.
मैम आप उन्हें मार्क्स ही नहीं देंगी?
नहीं बेटा, बिल्कुल
Ma'am,
marks कैसे-
actually, I did the work, but ma'am, it took me a while to take permission.
I am not talking
to
about
send
you, Prachi. I am talking about others. Understand? Okay. There are some students, those who were regular for 3 to 5 days or 6 days, and they thought that now the teacher will register in her mind or his mind that we have been doing the classes. So now for last, I think almost 2 weeks time, they are not coming to the class. So can't help it. Okay. History books. Let us do the history chapter. You need to tell me that up till where we have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Divyansh, your camera is still off. I will remove you from the meeting if your camera will not on.
Ma'am,
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 one
ma'am, we have to start with a turbulent time, then 1905 revolution. Ma'am, we completed socialism in Russia.
Right. We have also completed that portion, no? So economy and society we have completed.
Yes, ma'am. It
Yes,
is done.
ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, I think we have to do it from support for socialism.
No, ma'am, it was already done.
Okay, give me a minute's time. I'll just get my book. Okay. Divyansh Jain, can you hear me?
Yes.
Switch on the camera, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aryan. Keep your cameras on. Do not switch them off. 9th B. Today is 20th, right?
20th.
28th.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
20.
20.
Yesterday there was no class. So fine. In this chapter 2, everything that we have done is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Rakshit, your camera.
I'm he Diana.
Is
Ma'am, he is joining again, I think.
he is joining. Socialism in Russia we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to start with the First World War in Russia.
No, no.
No, ma'am, we have to start
No,
with the
ma'am.
1905 revolution.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Socialism in Russia we have done. Then economy and society also we have done. Explanation part was also done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
रक्षित बेटा कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए बच्चे. चलो. चलिए, what is turbulent time? Can you tell? Turbulent का मतलब क्या होता है? Anybody who could tell this meaning of turbulent? Prachi?
Ma'am, sounds like terrific.
हाँ, sounds like.
Ma'am, sounds like this
terrifying.
word means terrific.
हाँ, you can say. Generally, we use turbulent for something that is not stable or that is not calm. Right? Fine. Acha, tell me please clearly, this socialism in Russia is clear and understood to you all or not?
I'm understanding.
Fine. So this turbulent time, it tells you about the 1905 revolution. Now, what was this 1905 revolution? Anybody who knows about it? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Anybody else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, this 1905 revolution that we have, it talks about the revolution that was carried by the workers, right? We all know that May Day we celebrate, no? 1st May.
Yes,
What do we
ma'am.
celebrate?
Ma'am,
it?
as a Labor Day.
Haan,
Ma'am, Labor Day.
Labor Day, right? Now,
Ma'am,
what
Labor Day.
what do we have on this Labor Day? Do you know?
Ma'am, we support the laborers.
Huh?
Ma'am, we support the laborers.
We honor them, we thank them, right? But you know why this Labor Day is, when did we start celebrating this Labor Day? What was the provision for it? Huh?
Ma'am, revolution of 1905.
That was in Russia. Why we are celebrating it?
Ma'am, but laborers are everywhere.
Exactly, labors are everywhere, and this 1905 revolution that we had, no, especially if you remember, I told you that during the industrialization, when industrialization happened, the workers, those who were working there in the industries, they had to work day and night. There was no timing fixed. The wages were there, but then the wages, the amount of salaries or the wages that they were getting, they were quite low in comparison to the work that was done by them. 16, 18 hours they were continuously working, and they were not paid as per the work done by them. So everybody wanted, like, there were people who wanted to improve the conditions. There were supporters who felt that, like, if I ask you, socialists, those who were there, they were the ones who were in support of these labors. They supported these workers. They wanted that they should be, given a fair chance in everything. Fair deal. What fair deal? In the sense that whatever profit the owner was earning, some part of that should be given to these workers also, other than the wages that they were getting. And in lieu of the work that was given by these workers, their working conditions, their living conditions should be improved. right? So this whole paragraph tells you that how, you know, the workers, they came on the roads and how this was suppressed by the king, right? And taking, you know, take this revolution, the strike or the agitation that was carried by the workers in the, you know, supervision of Father Gipon. uh, the other people, those who were there, the university people, the students, the doctors, the lawyers, everybody, you know, took advantage of this, and they felt that this is the right time to put up their demands. Not like the demands that they wanted to put up, they were not unjust, they were all fair demands, right? They just wanted that whatever work they were doing, they should be paid according to that. They should not be exploited. Plus the working hours that they had, they should be reduced, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This whole thing tells you about that only. And see, 1904, if we talk about 1904, was a very bad harvest for the Russians. The prices of the goods, the things that were there, it, you know, rose up, it soared up. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा जो है sky high prices हो गए. Membership of the worker association also rose up. There were many people who wanted to be part of the workers association. Then there were 4 members of the assembly of Russian workers who were dismissed because the king could not take this, that his own people, the one who were there in the court or the king, they are also part of the workers association. The workers, they called for a strike, and approximately 1,10,000 workers in St. Petersburg, they went on strike, and they demanded for, you know, only 8 hours of work, increase in wages, then some, you know, improvement in the working conditions. As I told you, their living and the working conditions were not very good as compared to the other people in the European countries. So these people, they only had, you know, very simple demands, but then king felt that if you know, many people, they felt that if king approves of their demands, what will happen? People will start agitating like this. They will, you know, every now and then they will start going for the strikes, and then they will be able to convince the owners or the king or any XYZ authority to listen or to fulfill their demands. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let us read now. Can we have Manjot reading?
Okay. A turbulent time, the 1905 revolution. Russia was an autocracy. Unlike other European rulers, even at the beginning of the 20th century, the Tsar was not subject to parliament. Liberals in Russia campaigned to end this state of affairs. Together with the Social Democrats and Socialist revolutionaries, they worked in peasants and workers during the revolution of 1905 to demand a constitution. They were supported in the empire by nationalists and in Muslim-dominated areas by
Dominated,
jihadists
beta.
who
Muslim dominated.
dominated
Ma'am, can you
areas
please
by
tell the page
jihadists.
number?
Page number is 32.
33. Sorry, not 32.
33. Now she is on 33, but we started from 32.
We started on 32, but we are on 33.
Yes.
May I continue?
Yes, beta, continue, Manju.
And in Muslim-dominated areas by jihadists who wanted modernized Islam to lead their societies. The year 1904 was a particularly bad one for Russian workers. Prices of essential goods rose so quickly that real wages declined by 20%. The membership of workers' associations rose dramatically when 4 members of the Assembly of Russian Workers, which had been formed in 1904, were dismissed at the Putilov Iron Works. There was a call for industrial action. Over the next few days, over 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike, demanding a reduction in the working day to night hours. an increase in wages, and improvement in working conditions. May I continue?
No, wait. Anything in this to be explained? I hope it is all clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have Rakshit reading now?
And you can have Manoj's.
Rakshit is not ready to read. Okay. Let us have Manoj's reading then.
Okay, ma'am. And when the procession of workers led by the father Gapan reached the Winter Palace, it was attacked by the police and the Cossacks. Over 100 workers were killed and about 300 wounded. The incident, known as Bloody Sunday, started a series of events that became known as the 1905 Revolution. Strikes took place all over the country, and universities closed down when students' bodies staged walkouts, complaining about the lack of civil liberties. Lawyers, doctors, engineers, and other middle class workers established the Union of Unions and demanded a constitute assembly. The next paragraph also.
No. Anything in this to be explained, class?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा ये जो Sanidhya, good morning. How are you, beta?
Ma'am, great. Ma'am, how are you?
I'm also great when you are great. Chalo. See this incident that took place under the supervision of Father Gipon. This event, because it happened on Sunday and lot of bloodshed was there, that is why because of this it is known as the Bloody Sunday, right?
Ma'am, what are you
Yes,
doing?
ma'am.
We are doing history chapter 2. We are in continuation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and these people, you know, after this revolution that happened, after this bloodshed that happened, everybody started demanding for an assembly, constituent assembly. I hope you know what is the difference between a normal, you know, group of people who are autocratic rulers and constituent assembly. I hope you know this difference.
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
We know.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right. So people started demanding for a constituent assembly, and ultimately the king had to agree for the same. So in 1905, Duma was created. Duma was actually the elected consultative parliament. Okay, if a question comes, what is Duma? You can say the elected consultative parliament in Russia is known as Duma, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, after 1905, after this Bloody Sunday that happened, most of the committees and the union work that was done unofficially was declared as illegal. Like there was no legalization for those people, for those committees and the unions which were there. And after the formation of the first Duma, within 75 days of its formation, it was dismissed, and second Duma was elected within the time span of 3 months. And Tsar did not like that people should, you know, question his authority. So what he did, by voting laws, many of the changes, by voting, many of the laws that were there, they were changed by the king, Tsar. Who was the king of Russia at that time?
Ma'am, Tsar Nicholas II.
Yes, Tsar Nicholas.
Mm.
What he did?
Nicholas.
Tsar Nicholas, because he did not like the idea that people were questioning his authority and, you know, they were limiting his powers. So again, through voting, the laws were changed and Duma was filled with the conservatives only. Conservatives, if you remember, I told you initially, conservatives were the people who always supported the autocratic rule, who always supported that monarchy should be there in a country, in a state. And these were the people who felt that, you know, if changes have to come, they should come very slow, right?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And when the third Duma was formed at that time, all the liberals and the radicals, those who were there, they did not get a single place in that Duma that was created for the third time. All the conservatives were put into that so that they do not, you know, question the authority of the king. They were more happy than anybody else because these people, they got all the privileges that the king was getting because they were in support of the monarch. I hope I am clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Chaliए.
ma'am.
Chaliए. Next paragraph, can we have Abhinath reading?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
During the 1905 revolution, the Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament or Duma. For a brief while during the revolution, there existed a large number of trade unions and factory commitments made up of factory workers. After 1905, most communities and unions worked unofficially. Since they were declared illegal, severe restrictions were placed on political activity. The Tsar dismissed the first Duma within 75 days and the re-elected second Duma within 3 months. He did not want any questioning of his authority or any reduction in his power. He changed the voting law and packed the third Duma with conservative political liberals and revolutionaries were kept out. 2.5, the First World War and the Russian Empire. Ma'am,
This
yes,
paragraph,
ma'am.
wait. This paragraph all clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliए.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Carry on. Abhinath.
The First World War and the Russian Empire. In 1914, war broke out between two European alliances, Germany, Austria, and Turkey, the Central Powers, and France, Britain, and Russia, later Italy and Romania. Each country had a global empire, and the war was fought outside Europe as well as in Europe. There was the First World War. In Russia, the war was initially popular and people rallied around the Tsar Nicholas II as the war continued through. The Tsar refused to consult the main parties in the Duma.
Okay,
Support
wait.
anti-statement line.
Hold. Now see, this First World War, we all know, was an
Excuse me,
invention
ma'am.
that, yes, beta Manojas.
Actually, I have an important thing on my thing. I have sent it just one page of PDF.
Only one
Ma'am,
page.
can I send it now? Yes, ma'am. I have clicked all, but it was just one.
ठीक है,
Yes,
भेज दो. Okay, whenever we talk of the First World War, we all know that there were central powers, right? Right? And we,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
to be
ma'am.
precise, if we say there were, you know, a group of allies and group of Axis, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
talking about the central powers that were there, Germany, Austria, and Turkey, these three were the part of the central powers. And talking about the allies, they were the France, Britain, Russia, Italy, and Romania at that time in the First World War. Like Germany, Austria, Turkey, they were on one side, and France, Britain, Russia, Italy, and Romania, they were on the other side. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, these countries which were part of the First World War, each country had a global empire. Means बहुत huge empires थे इन लोगों के पास. अगर हम टर्की की बात करते हैं बेटा, तो टर्की जो था ओटोमन एम्पायर के बारे में आप पढ़ोगे इन क्लास 10. Ottoman Empire जो थी at that time, during that time, it had captured maximum, you know, parts of European states. Balkan states के नाम से एक एरिया है which is quite famous, जो कि रोमेनिया, मतलब हर्जिगोविनिया, स्लोवेकिया, बहुत बहुत सारी कंट्रीज थी, क्रोशिया, they all were part of it. ठीक है, तो ये जितनी भी कंट्रीज वर पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वॉर, they were global empires. Now the war that was fought, it was fought inside and outside Europe. मतलब यूरोप के अंदर भी लड़ाई हो रही थी, यूरोप के बाहर भी लड़ाई हो रही थी. यूरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट की बात हम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, फिर इन द बिगिनिंग पीपल सपोर्टेड जार एंड फॉट फॉर हिम. इनिशियली क्या था, लोगों को लगा कि भाई जार हमारा किंग है तो हमें उसके लिए लड़ना है. तो रशिया की बात अगर हम करते हैं तो रशिया में पीपल वर इन सपोर्ट ऑफ द किंग एंड दे वर फाइटिंग फॉर द किंग. बट बाद में क्या हुआ कि जो जार था उसने जो डूमा थी उसको कंसल्ट ही नहीं करा इन पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ वर्ल्ड वॉर. तो लोगों को ऑब्वियस सी बात है, देखो बेटा वॉर्स जो होती हैं उनमें किसी को भी बेनिफिट तो होता नहीं है. वी हैव रेड दिस, वॉर्स आर वेरी डिवास्टेटिंग, they are very, you know, what do you say, we like both the sides that are there fighting, they are on the lost part. They are not, no country wins at all. अगर जीत भी जाते हैं वॉर में, अगर विन हो भी जाता है तो लॉसेस का जो अगर आप रेशो देखो तो जो आपका जो लॉसेस होते हैं, जो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट टर्म, जो भी आपकी नुकसान होते हैं, जिनको आप लॉसेस नुकसान ही हो गए आपके, तो जो भी आप होते हो उसमें, जो भी आप लूज करते हो उसको अगर आप कंपेयर करो तो आपकी जीत जो है वो हार के बराबर ही होती है. ठीक है, क्योंकि आप इतने लोगों को खो चुके होते हैं, इतनी लाइव्स आप जो है डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हो, प्लस आपका जो है एसेट्स जो है, आपके एसेट्स भी खत्म हो जाते हैं, आपका मॉनेटरी भी.
नॉट एवरीथिंग इज मनी.
बट बेटा मॉनेटरी लॉसेस होते हैं, लाइफ के लॉसेस होते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी के लॉसेस होते हैं. ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट मनी ओनली. मनी तो बहुत एक सेकेंडरी चीज हो गई. उसके अलावा जो आप इतने इंपॉर्टेंट लोगों को खो देते हो, इतने एक्सपीरियंस लोगों को खो देते हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइव्स, आप सोचो, those people who are not part of the war, they also lose on their lives. It is not that the people who are working, who are fighting on the front, they only lose their, you know, lives, but the other people also they lose on their lives. तो ये चीज बड़ा नुकसानदेह चीज होती है. दिस इज समथिंग विच यू नो पीपल फील कि ये गलत है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो वॉर किसी भी प्रकार की जो वॉर होती है, किसी भी तरीके की लड़ाई जो होती है, इट इज नेवर बेनिफिशियल. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. ये आई थिंक यू नो अबाउट अशोका, नो, कलिंगा वॉर के बारे में आपने पढ़ा है.
Yes, ma'am. मैम उसमें भी मैम आखिरी में मैम.
तो कलिंगा वॉर में क्या था आपको पता है?
यस मैम, उनने फिर आखिरी में मैम लड़ना छोड़ दिया.
पर एग्जैक्टली हुआ क्या था मंजूर?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
thousands of lives were gone, so that's why.
What you were not
Ma'am,
audible.
many people lost their lives. So when he saw the blood of those people in the river, and the river was full red in color.
Yes,
So
right.
after seeing that, he left all the wars, and it was the last war which he fought.
Yes. After, you know, Kalinga war was won by Ashoka, but when he looked back, he saw, you know, lines of people lying down on the earth. The river water full of blood. The earth which was there, it was also full of blood. Everywhere, every single part that was visible, other than the dead bodies which were there, he could see only red, and he got so this thing with that he decided not to fight again in. I know, Sanidhya, it was very hard, painful thing, you know, and it was that time when he decided that he will not fight any kind of war, and he went into the Buddhism.
Ma'am, he went into Buddhism also.
हाँ जी बेटा, क्या कह रहे हो आप सानिध्या?
Ma'am, he went into Buddhism also at last.
हाँ बिल्कुल, बुद्धिज्म, बुद्धा की शरण में चले गए थे. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ चलिए, ठीक है. तो वॉर्स का कभी किसी का भला ही नहीं हुआ है वॉर्स के बाद. तो जो जार थे उन्होंने क्या करा, उन्होंने डूमा को कंसल्ट नहीं करा. ठीक है, और जब डूमा को उन्होंने कंसल्ट नहीं करा तो उनका जो सपोर्ट था ऑफ द पीपल दैट द पीपल वर गिविंग हिम, वो जो है कंपैरेटिवली इट बिकेम लेस, लोगों का सपोर्ट कम हो गया, क्योंकि बेटा वॉर में लगातार लोग लड़ रहे थे, ठीक है, मर रहे थे, राजा को इस बात से फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा था। तो पीपल ऑल्सो फेल्ट कि जब राजा को फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट यू नो फाइटिंग फॉर द किंग। फिर रशियंस वर एंटी जर्मन्स। अब एंटी जर्मन्स क्या मतलब, रशियंस जो थे वो जर्मन्स को अपना दुश्मन मानते थे, और रशिया में बहुत सारी जो प्लेसेस थी, स्पेशली सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग जो इनका इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया था। अगर आपको याद हो, हमने पढ़ा था ना कि 2 प्रोमिनेंट इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज थे, मॉस्को एंड सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग। तो उन्होंने क्या करा, पीटर्सबर्ग का नाम चेंज करके उसको पेट्रोग्राड कर दिया। क्या कर दिया? पेट्रोग्राड। और जो जरीना थी अलेक्जेंड्रिया, उनकी वाइफ, वो जो थी वो जर्मन थी, ठीक है, तो लोग उनको भी पसंद नहीं करते थे। प्लस उनका जो एक एडवाइजर था जो कि बहुत ही खराब था, उसका नाम था, ही वॉज मॉन्क रस्पुटिन। उन्होंने जो है किंग के रूप, हाँ बोलो सानिध्या। I could not hear you. I am not able to understand what you are saying. हाँ जी, तो उन्होंने जो है,
Ma'am, nothing. Ma'am, I was unable to, ma'am, control my mic.
अच्छा ठीक है, इट इज ओके। तो जो मॉन्क थे रस्पुटिन, उन्होंने किंग के रूल को इतना अनपॉपुलर कर दिया कि लोगों को जो है जार से ही नफरत हो गई। इतना ज्यादा हेट्रेड भर दिया उन्होंने जार के प्रति लोगों के मन में, दैट पीपल स्टार्टेड हेटिंग। एंड वो जितने भी लोग जो वॉर में पार्टिसिपेट जिन्होंने करा, उनको लगा कि भाई इट वाज अ वेस्ट गोइंग देयर, क्योंकि किंग वाज नॉट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट देयर लाइव्स एट ऑल। किंग जो है कहता जा रहा था ठीक है लड़ते रहो, एंड ही वाज नॉट लुकिंग बैक कि भाई माय पीपल वर सफरिंग।
And the real king is like Ashoka.
Yes Aryan, okay। अब जब
Thank you, ma'am.
जब वॉर लड़ी जा रही थी बेटा, इट वाज फ्रॉम द ईस्टर्न एंड द वेस्टर्न बोथ साइड्स, ठीक है, दोनों फ्रंट से लड़ाई हो रही थी। जो ईस्टर्न फ्रंट था वहां पे आर्मीज जो थी, दे वर मूविंग अहेड एंड दे फॉट battles and they you know there were heavy casualties। बहुत सारे लोगों का जो है wounded हो गए, बहुत ज्यादा चोटिल हो गए वो लोग। उसके बाद जो रशियन आर्मी थी वो डिफीटेड हो गई बाय द जर्मन्स एंड द ऑस्ट्रियंस। और ये जो डिस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट था वो इतना ज्यादा था, उसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड अगर आप उसका लेवल देखो तो वो इतना ज्यादा था कि ऑलमोस्ट 7 मिलियन पीपल डाइड, क्रॉप्स प्रॉपर्टी डिस्ट्रॉयड। मतलब भाई जब आर्मी मूव करती है तो वही थोड़ी देखती खेतों में फसल खड़ी है पकी हुई, तो दैट ऑल्सो गॉट डिस्ट्रॉयड। एंड ऑलमोस्ट 3 मिलियन रिफ्यूजीज विच वर देयर, they were there in the country. The soldiers did not wish to fight for czar anymore। इतना सब नुकसान देखते हुए उन्हें लगा कि ये तो अब बेकार है, मतलब कोई फायदा नहीं है, राइट। और अगर हम वेस्टर्न फ्रंट की बात करते हैं तो वेस्टर्न फ्रंट जो थे वहां पे क्योंकि ट्रेंचेस बने हुए थे, गड्ढे थे जहां से लोग लड़ाई कर रहे थे, वो कंपैरेटिवली सेफर साइड थी। तो जो दोनों फ्रंट में जो लड़ाई हुई उसमें ईस्टर्न फ्रंट जो था उसको बहुत ज्यादा लॉसेस बेयर करने पड़े। आई होप आई एम क्लियर।
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, इतना क्लियर हो गया। अब जो रशिया था, रशियन आर्मी जो थी उस टाइम की रशियन आर्मी को स्टीम रोलर्स कहा जाता, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी लार्जेस्ट फोर्स इन द वर्ल्ड उस टाइम पे रशिया के पास थी। एंड इट स्टार्टेड सपोर्टिंग द रेवोल्यूशनरीज इंस्टेड ऑफ जार। आपको पता है किसी भी कंट्री में अगर आर्मी जो होती है उस कंट्री की, वो जिसको सपोर्ट करती है उसी का रूल एस्टैब्लिश हो जाता है। तो जार के अगेंस्ट हो गए थे सारे के सारे, और रशिया की जो आर्मी थी, बिकॉज इट वाज कंसिडर्ड एज टू बी द लार्जेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, तो उन्होंने क्या करा, जार के से अपना सपोर्ट विड्रॉ करके दे स्टार्टेड सपोर्टिंग द रेवोल्यूशनरीज। तो इसका बहुत नुकसान हुआ जार को। और जो इंडस्ट्रीज थी वो दे वर वेरी फ्यू इन नंबर्स, पर उनसे जो है जो इंडस्ट्रियल सप्लाई था ड्यूरिंग दी वॉर वो सारा का सारा कट ऑफ कर दिया गया, और इंडस्ट्रियल इक्विपमेंट्स जो थे उनको डिसइंटीग्रेट कर दिया गया था। रेलवेज जो थी वो ब्रोक डाउन हो गई थी इन दी वॉर्स, अब हर चीज का नुकसान होता है, तो रेलवेज का भी नुकसान हुआ, लेबर की शॉर्टेज हो गई इन द इंडस्ट्रीज। फिर जो ग्रेन्स थे जो कि आर्मी को सप्लाई करने के लिए रखे गए थे, उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ था, इन द सिटी पीपल वर फेसिंग स्केर्सिटी, फूड ग्रेन स्केर्सिटी, और इसकी वजह से देयर वाज अ सिचुएशन ऑफ राइट्स इन रशिया। रशिया में जैसे फ्रांस में सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस की वजह से वो हो गया था, रेवोल्यूशन हो गया था, एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड इन द कंट्री। वहां पे भी 1916 में खाने के लिए, स्पेशली ब्रेड के लिए राइट्स जो थे वो शुरू हो गए थे। आई होप आई एम क्लियर टू एवरीवन।
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, most of the European, ma'am, like these countries, foreign countries, ma'am, they live on bread.
Of course they don't know this chapati, वो तो अब जाके इंट्रोड्यूस हुई है वहां पे, अदरवाइज वहां पे गार्लिक ब्रेड, जिंजर ब्रेड, वो ब्रेड, ये ब्रेड, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक दैट। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay, fine. Less than 1 minute is left. We will not start the reading right now. So anything that you have not understood from here, you can ask. ठीक है, तो वो आप पूछ लीजिएगा कल की क्लास में बेटा। ठीक है, अच्छा, टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे एंड आई थिंक थर्सडे वी हैव द लास्ट पीरियड, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
फाइन, इट इज ओके। चलिए, आई होप यू ऑल डिड योर टेस्ट वेल। डिस्कशन टेस्ट का हम थर्सडे को करेंगे, ठीक है, नॉट टुडे। फाइन,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए, ओके बेटा, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग।
Thank you, ma'am.
चलो,
Thank you, ma'am.
ओके बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस।